Here's another view of the squirrel stealing a few seeds from the squirrel-proof feeder. He's pretty determined, but he's not getting too much. And now he's getting wet. That noise that you hear is the Papillon killing, who should be trying to ward off the squirrel, trying to get my attention instead. So yeah, the feeder is basically functioning as it's supposed to. He's not getting into it. There's just a little bit of seed that collects at the bottom there, and that's what he's able to get out. That is kind of cute, the way he goes up and drops down, goes up and drops down. And I don't suppose the birds would be out in the rain eating right now anyway. Now he's going for a spin. Some of my family would look at him and not say he's cute, but say he looks ilmy. But fortunately, not everything is inherited. They tried that on me once as a child. And I'll tell you, the breaking of trust involved. Okay, that's enough of the squirrel's antics.